The spacer is the mount that secures your pressure washer's engine to the frame. It consists of two steel studs and a rubber isolator. The spacer holds the engine firmly to the frame, but still allows for movement to reduce vibration when the engine is running. Over time, the rubber isolator can fatigue and eventually fail. Replacing the spacer is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the engine and pump assembly from the frame. With the nuts removed, now I can go ahead and remove the engine. With the engine removed, now I can identify and remove the spacers that need to be replaced. Now I can install the new spacer. And now I can reinstall the engine. And I'll finish up by resecuring the engine with the hardware. And that's all it takes to install a new spacer on your pressure washer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.